opinions, guys. It's Melanie, and today we're going to show you guys our bike makeover. This used to be my son's. My daughter wanted a Sky from Paw Patrol bike, and they couldn't find one. So we made one. We're going to show you guys what we did. It's not perfect, but she likes it. And you want to ride it? Show them what it looks like? All right, here we go. All right, guys, here it is. The kids are on the pool. This is what it looks like. It's been in the garage for quite a while. We're going to take it apart, see what we can spray paint, what we can come up with. But here's the before.
I want to see if I can ride it.
Okay, you want to? You're kind of big for it now. Let's try it. Can you? It's kind of small for you there, buddy.
We can still...
Sissy, you want to try?
Oh, okay. This is... Give me water.
All right, the kids are still... We have sprayed it down really good with water hose, take the little section off. So now what we're going to do is take a wrench. We're just going to take off the seat and the wheels and different things that we're not going to spray paint, and then only leave on what's going to. We're also going to take, if there's any little decal, take the decal off.
Keep going.
You got it. All right, it's mostly in pieces. Got to take a couple more things apart, and then we're going to paint all this stuff. Might keep the wheels red. Don't know. We'll see. All right, so I have this guy set out. I'm going to do one piece at a time, obviously, and now we're just going to spray paint. I got my ultra cover. I hope this works. It's not what I usually use for indoor outdoor. So now we're just going to spray paint. Like, oh, I actually like the way that looks. Oh, I hope she loves this. Can y'all see he's got the other pieces over there? Can y'all see what they're on? Hold on, I'll show you up close. It's one of these. This is actually starting to bow, but it's one of these. They're from Dollar Tree for $1. They work perfectly to spray paint things outside. I hate that these are falling apart. I tried to coat these. It didn't work so well. Maybe it had to be in the, not in the rain. Anyway, you guys, that works perfectly for spray painting things. All right, he's gonna do the other two for me now that they're ready, so I can sit down, take a break. So I have high hopes for this bicycle. It's looking good. All right, guys, here it is back together. We did not paint the wheels. I've debated it. I think it looks fine with what we want, like with the pinkness going on. I might take that guard off and paint it though. So that's what we have so far. We have some streamers. She really wanted streamers, so I think that's really gonna make it, you know, a little more girly for her. Her grandpa got them for her. And then, let me show you what else we got. These, now they already have training wheels, but these are super cute. Her grandpa got her these. I hope that they fit that little bike. So that would make it a lot more girly. And then this basket, her grandpa got her this too. So I think this will kind of all tie together. She wanted a basket to put a baby or a puppy stuffy in. So they have something similar to this, guys. We're currently, if it's still July, at the dollar spot at Target. So hopefully they have more. All right, guys, we debated on spray painting this because it says HW for Hot Wheels. I might just put one of the waterproof stickers. This one might not fit because it doesn't curve, but maybe just put like a sticker up here. These, by the way, are the stickers we're going to use because she wanted a Paw Patrol bike. Her grandma Purple made these for her. How cute. Here's what we got so far, guys.
This is my bicycle.
All right.
Good girl. Good girl.
Yeah, here's take a closer look. We have Sky here. And this is the whole entire thing. We also have the logo right there. And as you can tell, it's almost all paint.
Come back this way.
Because, well, the wheels. Because it used to be mine when I was little.
All right, guys, here it is in all its glory. Yes, it still has a Hot Wheel seat. She wanted to keep the Hot Wheel seat, so we kept it. It did not come with the black seat originally. We kept the red wheels. And she kept the fender. I mean, I think it looks faded, but she liked the way it looks. So I was like, whatever, pop a sticker on it, made sure she can see the Paw Patrol. These are truly waterproof, which is amazing. The basket, I think, really kind of ties it together. I put one on the front, of course, and one on the back so she could see it. I think she appreciates that. Streamers are such an inexpensive way to go. Please, that's my new delivery. Just ignore that. Anyway, oh, and the training wheels. The purple ones did not fit on here. There's like stuff on here already. So we took the plastic pieces off the purple ones and put them on this because they were able to interchange them, it said. And it totes my goats worked. And then the base of the bike was just spray painted pink. We didn't even need a whole can of spray paint. So what is that? Oh, it's my little garden gnome. That's what it looks like. Nothing too fancy, but she really likes it. Cheese.
Cheese.
Where did your helmet come from?
From Target.
From Target. I see you, girl.
I want my hair to get wet.
You don't want your hair to get wet? Girl, I feel you. All right, guys, that is it. Thanks for watching. The rain is starting to come down, so I'm going inside. Please stay subscribed for more DIYs, and I hope you like this.